Full script with markers. Must be 1,500 plus words. Midnight, I found a tool that replaced my entire account. It cost $12. And today, I'm going to test 10 personal finance trackers and show you exactly what happens. This isn't just any review. It's an honest experiment to find the best personal finance app 2025. 030. The rules are simple. I'll use each app for a month, tracking expenses, savings, and investments. Success means accurate tracking, ease of use, and actionable insights. Failure means clunky interfaces, inaccurate data, or no useful information. 1 o'clock. Let's start with Mint. Mint has been around for years, so expectations were high. It synced with my bank accounts easily, and the dashboard was visually appealing. However, it struggled with categorizing transactions accurately. I spent hours correcting mistakes, which defeated the purpose of saving time. 2 o'clock. Next up is Personal Capital. This one focuses on investment track. It linked seamlessly with my brokerage accounts and provided detailed performance analysis. But its expense tracking was basic and didn't offer much insight. If you're primarily an investor, this could be useful, but not for comprehensive finance management. 3 o'clock. An app where you need a budget took a different approach. It's all about zero-based budgeting. Every dollar gets assigned a job. While this method can be effective, it requires a lot of manual input. For those willing to put in the effort, it can yield great results, but it's not for everyone. 4 o'clock. Moving on to Pocket Guard. This app aims to simplify budgeting with its money left feature. It calculates how much you have left to spend after bills and savings. The concept is solid, but the execution fell short. It often miscalculated balances and missed important transactions. 5 o'clock. Honeydew is designed for couples. It allows partners to share financial goals and track progress together. While the collaboration aspect is unique, the app itself lacked depth. It didn't offer much beyond basic expense track. 6 o'clock. Here's where it gets interesting. We've seen some hits and misses, but the real surprises are yet to come. Let's talk about the winners. 7 o'clock. The first standout is EveryDollar. Created by Dave Ramsey, it follows his proven budgeting principles. It's user-friendly, accurate, and provides actionable advice. Most people think budgeting apps are complicated, but EveryDollar proves otherwise. 8 o'clock. The second winner is Mvelopes. It uses the envelope system for budgeting, making it easy to visualize spending. It's intuitive, reliable, and offers excellent customer support. It's a solid choice for anyone looking to get their finances in order. 9 o'clock. The third and final winner is Zeta. It's a newer player, but has quickly gained popularity. It offers advanced features like bill negotiation and personalized savings plans. It's worth the investment if you want to take your finance management to the next level. 10 o'clock. So would I recommend these? Absolutely. They're worth it. If you're enjoying this, hit subscribe. We post stories like this every day, and you don't want to miss the next one. Tomorrow, The Sister's Revenge 3 months later. Do not miss it.